solving with AWS Solutions, your deep dive into reference architectures built by AWS that are ready to deploy instantly in the cloud. I'm Allison, and today I'm here with Tom to learn about the real-time live sports updates using AWS AppSync. Tom, what's the solution all about?
Certainly. This solution can provide near real-time updates such as sports scores, games and match statistics, fantasy sports updates, or even social media interactions.
All right. Well, I see this is a great way to engage my audience. So let's go talk about how it works.
Let's do it.
Okay, Tom, I want to engage my audiences with near real-time sports scores. How would I employ this solution?
Yeah, let's take a look. This is the landing page for the solution. As with all our solutions, we have an overview, an architectural diagram, a link to a detailed implementation guide. The source code is available on GitHub, and we have a CloudFormation template so you can, within a couple of clicks, have the solution up and running in your account.
Okay. Can we look at the architecture, keeping in mind that I'll be bringing my third-party data sets?
Yeah, sure. So this does all center around bringing data in through Amazon Kinesis data streams. So you have your third parties sending your data in here. And then what we're going to do with that data is we're going to subscribe to it with a Lambda function, which can be configured to do some pre-processing of that data. So if you have multiple third parties sending in different data sets, you can just clean it up and standardize it, ready to make it available through AWS AppSync, which is a GraphQL service that we're going to use here so that web applications can actually subscribe to that data in near real time.
Okay, so what if that ingest mechanism isn't working for me? I see you have an alternative here.
We do. If you can't stream your data directly to Kinesis streams, we do have an optional stack here that you can spin up that's going to create an API gateway. And then you can post your data to that gateway, and it will then add it to the data stream.
Okay, great. I love that alternative. Okay, so this is all about sending those sports scores to my customers. How is that working with Pinpoint integrated here?
Sure. So we have that subscription method through AppSync. What we have here is another optional stack that you can spin up that's going to have a Lambda function that's going to be using a configuration that you define in Dynamo. It's going to take that subscription and it's going to forward that onto Amazon Pinpoint so you can send out that data to your customers based on whatever subscriptions you've set up.
Okay, fantastic. And you said Lambda, which says to me this is serverless. What are the benefits of this being serverless?
So the benefits of this solution is actually every service you see here is a serverless service. So this is very much a pay-as-you-go model. So you're only going to pay for these services when you're actually using them.
Okay, and that's music to my ears because my current application has me paying for it all the time, and I only have sports scores that I'm sitting during the games on Saturday night.
Well, there you go. So this is only really going to cost you anything once you actually start sending data to that Kinesis data stream.
Okay, fantastic. So I've got an existing service. Before I wholesale make a switch over to this, which sounds exciting, I like to test it and kind of run it alongside my existing service. How quick and easy is it to stand up?
Yeah, so if we go back to the landing page, as I mentioned, this is available through CloudFormation. So within a couple of clicks, you can have this solution up and running in your account.
Okay, and it's not relegated just to sports scores, is that right?
No, not at all. It's really just any kind of data. You could customize the solution to work with weather data, with trading data, with anything really that you want to pre-process and then make available through a subscription.
Okay. Sounds fantastic and very cost efficient. I look forward to trying it out.
Excellent. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us today to talk about the real-time live sports updates using AWS AppSync solution. I can really see how this could help me as a fan get scores even when I don't have time to watch the game.
Check out this solution and many more on the AWS Solutions website.